Are you tired of digging through Salesforce menus just to export all your contacts? Learn how to get a complete list in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps, from creating the right report to choosing the export format that works for you. Start by clicking on the Reports tab to open the Reports area. Then, find and click on All Contacts under the Report Name column. Now, navigate to the Edit button and click its drop-down arrow to see more options. From the menu that appears, click on Export. In the Export View drop-down, choose Details Only for a clean export. Next, set the contact format to Excel format. Finally, click the Export button to download your file. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.